shopping around at Disney Springs, and Disney's Drop Shop has a new Loungefly keychain, and they are the only thing you can get a discount on. So 2 of these were $34 total. They're $20. So this is the one that is just regular Loungefly, not branded. I mean, not Disney. That's super pretty.
I wonder if Lacey would actually like that one.
I can see. I'm gonna put it back in there. That's super cute. And I didn't care which one I would have gotten on that one, to be honest. So there's no card in it, so I could have not surprised. All right, let's see.
So what's available in these? So Minnie, Mickey, Donald, we got Pluto, Goofy, or Daisy.
And it's supposed to be a mystery.
Mystery? Does it say on the box a mystery?
Yeah.
Okay. What do you want? What is the top one you want?
I think I would like Minnie.
Okay.
But I kind of don't care. Oh.
Daisy.
There's Daisy. I mean, that
is really cute.
Really cute. I feel like I want to put them back because...
Protect them.
Yeah. Alright, so 1 Daisy.
Do you think we get a double?
Yes, I do. And that's what I'm fearful of. That not only do we get a double, but we get multiple doubles. Because we got 4 total.
That'd be like triples.
Right.
Don't feel it up. Goofy. I'll take that one. Yeah, I would take that one.
So we got Minnie.
All right, that's good though. 2.
So we got 2.
Yeah, 2 for 2.
Different. All right. See.
All right, let's do a Mickey and Minnie. That'd be great.
Nervous.
Another Goofy. All right, we're 2 of 3.
Now watch this beat.
This is your chance. But there's tons of people opening these in the drop shop. There's a spot for it, and you could sit there and trade. I mean, so if we'd open these there and other people were opening them, then we could always trade. They could get 2 minis, we could have 2 Goofies, and trade them up.
Alright, last one. Oh!
Yay! We'll give that to Rachel. That's awesome.
Super cute.
Yeah, I really like these. And we could technically get more if we wanted on the way out.
Yes, technically we could.
Technically. But very, very cool. Yeah, check out Disney Drop Shop at Disney Springs.